Hey everybody, Charlie Weiser from EasyPiano.com. So today we are on episode number 3 of Cool Sounding Chords. And I got something for you. It's going to be in a minor key and it's going to be a Jazz Waltz, okay? But I have to warn you, the software that I have only allows me, the possibility of stating things in major keys, all right? So we're going to be playing in the key of F minor, which is the relative minor of the key of A flat major. All right. So again, this was going to be a jazz waltz, so it's going to be in 3/4 time. So let me go ahead and play it for you, and then I will break it down. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so let's go ahead and learn this. So this one here is going to use a very basic or a core voicing that you will use to form many chords. All right, now real quick, if you're not familiar with chord voicings, I do have some courses that teach you that, also a couple of books, and they will teach you all of the basics that you need to know about forming chord voicings in all 12 keys. All right, so I'll put a link above me that you can click to go to it. Otherwise, you can go to easypiano.com and you'll see where it says courses up at the top of the page. You can click on that and then you will find those courses after you click on that link. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and learn this. So our first chord, F minor 7. Voicing 1, 7, 3, 5. Okay, of course, since it's a minor 7th, the 7th is going to be flat, the 3 is going to be flat. So we have root, flat 7, flat 3, 5. Then we have the G minor 7th chord, same voicing, root, flat 7, flat 3, 5. All right. So we do that, we go back and forth. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to change here. We're going to play this, which is A flat minor 9. So voicing is root, flat 7, flat 3, 5. So you see that's that same core voicing again, 1, 7, 3, 5, right? And then we have the 9th on top. And then the second chord you heard me playing after this one was I moved in the left hand, I went from the flat 7 to the 6th, right? And the top note here, I just went down a whole step to the root, okay? So that's going to give me an A flat minor 6th chord. Okay, so again, that movement, A flat minor 7 here. To get to the A flat, or A flat minor 9, I mean, since the 9th is on top. Get to the A flat minor 6th chord, we're going to take the flat 7 right here, drop it a half step. Right? Take the 9th, move it a whole step down to the root. So that complete sound is like this: A flat minor 9, A flat minor 6th. Okay? After that, I went to a G minor 9. So it's that same voicing, the same core voicing, the 1, flat 7, flat 3, 5, and I put the 9th on top. And then I went here to a C9 chord with a sharp 5. Voicing, root, 3rd, flat 7, 9, sharp 5. After that, I ended it with this chord. Okay, F minor major 9. So left hand, root, 7, flat 3, 5. I got the 7 duplicated over here in the right hand, and I have the 9th on top. And then what I did to end it out, I went from the 7th to the 6th. Okay, so again, I hit everything here, and I went to the sixth. All right, so those are our chords. So let me go ahead and play it from the beginning again. And if you want, you can try playing it with me. Now, the rhythm that I'm playing, you can grab that on your own. It won't be too difficult to catch. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there you have it, episode number 3. So if you like these lessons and you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you have, other people that might be interested, make sure you share this with them, okay? And also, too, if you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, when I come up with episode 4, have fun and enjoy.